Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment in Docusign. This feature is incredibly useful when you need recipients to upload supporting documents like identification, proof of address, or any other files alongside signing your contract. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Docusign homepage where you can manage all your documents and envelopes. On your homepage, locate and click the Start button. This button is your gateway to creating new envelopes and initiating the document signing process. Clicking it will present you with options for how you'd like to begin. Next, click on Upload, then select Desktop from the options that appear. This allows you to choose files directly from your computer rather than cloud storage or other sources. A File Explorer window will open up, giving you access to all your local files. Now browse through your files and select the contract file you want to send. Once you've found it, click Open. The system will begin uploading your document, so give it a moment to process. After the upload completes, you'll see your document ready for the next step. Now it's time to add your recipient. Navigate to the recipient field and type the name of the person who needs to sign or review this document. This helps personalize the envelope and makes it clear who the document is intended for. Below the name field, type the email address of your recipient. This is crucial because Docusign will send the envelope directly to this email, so double-check that it's correct to avoid any delivery issues. Next, navigate to the subject field and type in a subject line. This subject will appear in the email notification your recipient receives, so make it clear and relevant to the document being sent. Just below that, you'll find a message text field. Enter a message here to provide any additional context or instructions your recipient might need. This personal touch can help clarify expectations and ensure smooth processing. Once you've filled in all the recipient information, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and click Next to proceed. The system will now take you to the document editing interface where you can add fields and configure how your recipient interacts with the document. On the left sidebar, scroll down until you find the attachment option. This is the field type that will allow your recipient to upload their own files. Click on Attachment, then drag it onto your document. You can place this attachment field wherever it makes the most sense, whether that's near a signature line, at the end of the document, or anywhere else that suits your workflow. Finally, once you've positioned the attachment field exactly where you want it, head to the bottom right corner again and click Send. Your envelope will now be sent to your recipient with the attachment field included, allowing them to upload any necessary files alongside their signature. And that's it! You've successfully added an attachment field to your Docusign envelope, making it easy for recipients to provide supporting documents as part of the signing process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.